Hey, so let's make a good hair conditioning bar. I have already melted all my ingredients and placed it in I placed the original container in a bowl of hot water just because my house is cold and it keeps solidifying so quickly. So I brought this up to temperature, and it's got coconut oil and argan oil and conditioning emulsifier and some cetyl alcohol and some beeswax. So I've been using the conditioning bar that comes in the DIY conditioning bar kit. Fabulous stuff. I love it. It makes my hair nice and soft, but it doesn't make it too soft so that it doesn't keep its shape. So I have everything. I'm trying to bring the temperature down a little bit. It's starting to get a little opaque, which is what's supposed to happen. I am going to pour in the essential oils, and I'm going to pour in a natural preservative as well, just in case I don't get to this bar right away. It will maintain its integrity. So we don't want things to go bad because we're using natural ingredients. They do go bad after a period of time. So this is very hot in my hand. So I'm gonna pour this into the mold. Let's see if I can get this all done before it starts to solidify in the bowl. I have a little Simply Earth mold, and I might need to reheat this ever so slightly. Maybe not. Let's see. Let me get this in here real quick. I think I might be able to do it. And what will happen is I'm going to need to let this completely solidify now before I can unmold it. And you would want to keep these in a cool, dry place, preferably in a jar or wrapped in some sort of wrapper so that it doesn't get moist from the outside air. But here you go, not real pretty on this side, and I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit, and I'll come back to you to demold it. It's time to demold the Good Hair Conditioner Bar. So here is my cute little mold from Simply Earth. It actually says, let me show you, it says Simply Earth. And yeah, can't really see. It says it here on the conditioning bar too. Not gorgeous on the back side, but it was melting pretty quickly. But you would, to use this in the shower, you would get your hands wet, rub the bar between your hands, do it in your hair, rinse. These also make great shaving bars, so you can use them to shave your legs. They also are really great conditioning bars too. So the bar would be great to use. Like I use it on my body to, after I wash, I use the conditioning bar on it as well, just to moisturize my body. And I really enjoy that. So anyway, that is the Good Hair Conditioning Bar. I highly, highly suggest that you get the DIY conditioner and shampoo kits. I can leave that information below as well. I absolutely love them. You're reducing waste in landfills, and you're only using what you need, and they're really great, and you can personalize them any way you want to with any essential oils that you want to. You don't have to use the ones that come with the kit. And I think next time I make my own conditioning and shampoo bars, I am going to personalize them and do them with smells that I like. Anyway, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.